Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Deoxyz. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files, and I'll give you some recommendations on how you could possibly recover the files. These recommendations will be given in the description to this video. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any complications. Unfortunately, some computers are vulnerable before ransomware's attacks. So this ransomware, some way or another, may be very easily injected into the computer, and then consequently the ransomware starts its malicious job. It encrypts files and damages the files. As a result, it is just impossible to open the files anymore eventually. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. You should not waste your money and you should not pay the ransom. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware reveals the ransom note. It also changes the desktop background. The ransom note tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. This ransomware actually appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. It is not something fixed, this is something random. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to use the software called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.